Audiobook Summary, Part 1, Bayani's Guide to Cacao Farming. Cacao Farming Knowledge and Skills from Hands-on Experience by Bayani, Artuz, Sera, and Arion, Gerardino. When people ask why I chose cacao farming, I smile, because it's more than farming. It's a calling, a mission, a way to create something meaningful for families, communities, and future generations. Back in 2017, I didn't know much about cacao. I just bought a few seedlings out of curiosity. But that small decision changed everything. Like many farmers, I started with hope but no guidance. So I searched, joined trainings, and even flew to Davao to learn from the experts. That's when cacao stopped being just a crop and became a way of life. Cacao is not for the impatient. It doesn't give overnight results, but when it does, it keeps on giving. It's sustainable, resilient, and it can grow in small spaces alongside bananas or coconuts. For struggling farmers, cacao offers hope and income beyond traditional crops. My journey wasn't easy. I made mistakes, corrected them, and learned through experience. Soon, others started asking questions, wanting to learn. That's how Bayani and cacao farming was born, first offline, then online during the pandemic. Through videos and community sharing, we reach farmers all over the Philippines, proving that knowledge can change lives. Then I realized something bigger. Cacao is not just personal, it's national. The Philippines once led Asia in cacao production, but we lost that ground. Now demand for quality cacao is rising globally, and we have the perfect climate to supply it. The government even aims to hit 100,000 metric tons a year. That means there's space for farmers like you to step in. I've seen cacao transform lives. Farmers tired of low rice and corn returns found hope in cacao. Some started making tablet and chocolate, creating businesses from their own backyards. This isn't just about profit, it's about pride, dignity, and a future you can build with your own hands. Cacao is not magic. It takes patience and care. But if you plant it, nurture it, and stick with it, you won't just harvest pods, you'll harvest possibilities. Cacao isn't just a crop, it's a movement, and it still has room for you. Thank you for listening to Part 1 of Bayani's Guide to Cacao Farming Knowledge and Skills from Hands-on Experience, by Bayani, Artuz, Sera, and Arion, Gerardino. If you want the complete guide, get your copy of the ebook. Just send me a message on Facebook. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss Part 2. Share this with friends who dream of starting their cacao journey. Your support helps us reach more farmers like you. See you in the next part.